In this video you will find out the formula syntax and usage of the average-if function in Microsoft Excel. Average-if function returns the average arithmetic mean of all the cells in a range that meet a given criteria. How to use average-if function in Excel. The Excel AVERAGEIF function computes the average of the numbers in a range that meet the supplied criteria. As we have this sales data of our different employees, by the using average-if function we can get the idea or results that how much each employee has sold average quantity, and also can get idea that which product have more average sales for a specific period. Now let's start at how this function works. Write equals sign, then average-if. Press tab will get parenthesis automatically by pressing tab button. Then select the range of products of which you want to know the average. Then write commit. Then mention the product name or otherwise select the cell reference of that product. Then give the quantity, range, the values which are in next column of product cells. Then close the parenthesis, press enter. You will get your desired results. Now before applying this function, lock the cell references if you want to drag the function down to other cells. Select the cell reference, press F4. You will get $sign along with cell references. Now cell reference has locked. Now you can drag down as you want. Now you can see the average sale of mouse is 47.5. Manually we can check our result is correct or not. Manually add the quantity sold of mouse once I want to know our answer is correct or not. Now check how many times we have sold mouse. Data is showing only 2 times, so divide the whole sum of sales amount with 2 to get the average sales of the mouse. Now you can see the average sale of laptop is 68. Manually we can check our result is correct or not. Same way, add the sales amounts of the laptop and divide the sum amount value with number of sales to get the average sales amount of the laptop. In same way we can check the sales of motherboard. Add the sales amounts of the motherboard and divide the sum amount value with number of sales of motherboard. You will get the average sales amount of the motherboard. How many times motherboard was sold? Data is showing only 2 times, So we will divide the sum value with 2 to get the average sales amount, which is 65. Now if we want to check the average sales of each employee, we can check the sales in same way that how much was each employee's average sale. Write equals sign, then average if, then press tab button. You will get automatically full function name along with parentheses, then give the range of employee names. Then, comma on, then write the employee name along with inverted commas, or otherwise mention the cell reference of employee name. Then select the quantity range, the value of sales which we have in next column. Select that range, then close the parenthesis, and press enter. You will get result value. Now before applying this function, lock the cell references if you want to drag the function down to other cells. Select the cell reference, press F4, you will get $sign along with cell references. Now cell reference has locked, now you can drag down if you want. Now if we want to check the average sales of each employee, we can check the sales in same way that how much was average sale of each employee. Add the total sales of each employee manually, and divide the total sales value with number of sales. You will get the average sale of each employee. So in this way we can get the average sales of each employee. AVERAGEIF function is very useful when we have big data and want to know the average of a product or the average on the basis of any other criteria. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up, share this video and subscribe my channel for more useful videos.